guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on Skeem Saam. Elizabeth Lizzie Thobakgale has finally left Siyakamela household, making a major shift in her marriage to Zamaguhle Kwaito Siyakamela. This emotional departure follows ongoing tension between Lizzie and her mother-in-law, Mantuli, whose controlling way has made it nearly impossible for the couple to live peacefully. For months, viewers have watched Mantuli overstepping boundaries, inserting herself in every aspect of Kwaito and Lizzie's marriage, from dictating household decisions to constantly challenging Lizzie's role as a wife. Mantuli interfering reaches a breaking point, despite Kwaito's attempts to maintain peace between his wife and mother. It became clear that the toxic environment in the Siyakamela home was suffocating Lizzie. The final straw when Lizzie's mom, Principal Thobakgale, took matter into her own hands. She arrived at the Siyakamela house to fetch her daughter, a moment filled with tension and heartbreak. While Kwaito was visibly torn, Lizzie stood her ground, choosing to prioritize her peace over enduring more of Mantuli's controlling ways. The question now is, what is next for Lizzie and Kwaito? Will the separation lead to divorce, or will Kwaito finally take a stand against his mother for the sake of his marriage? As Lizzie walks away, the future of their union hangs in the balance, leaving fans wondering whether love will conquer all or if this marks the beginning of the end. Lizzie deserves better. Her husband Kwaito failed many times to protect her. I'm glad that Jochebed took her daughter back and protected her. She always knew that this marriage will not work at all. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video.